Okay, this video is to demonstrate the Smart Rack barrel filling control system. This is the Smart Rack system mounted on a cart. First thing I want to do is talk about the features of the handheld control system. This is the handheld controller, and as you can see, it says Smart Rack Model 200 start and stop button. You hit the start button to begin pumping and filling the barrel, and then you can hit either switch, start or stop, will stop the pump from running automatically. And while it's running, the little LED light will be flashing 1 cycle per second to do that. The handheld controller has a nice little docking station on the cart here, so when you're carrying it around, the cart has 2 wheels down below, you can see, for mobility. Carry it around. The cart also includes 2 racks. A rack for the big cable here on one side and a rack for the small cable to the handheld controller. This is the junction box that contains all the electronics, the relays, and the contactor. Whenever you place it into service, this is a sensing tube. You want to look down here at the sensing tube. The little red band is a movable band. You can move it to whatever point you want to stop the liquid level in the barrel, whether it be wine or spirits, and then you can calibrate to that level. This particular location says it's calibrated to that level. And so if we want to demonstrate how Smart Rack fits inside a barrel, this is a barrel here, and they're stacked above one another, so the barrels have to be rotated in order to allow room for the fill tube to go inside the barrel. So one feature of the Smart Rack, you see with it laying at an angle like that, it's not going to measure the level correctly. It needs to be vertical. So in order to do that, it contains a leveling rack. And you notice you just put that in place, you can see it makes the rack sit level because it's at an angle now. That always maintains a vertical position on the sensing tube. We'll take it out right now, put the rack back in place, put it in service. Okay? And that's pretty much the basic features of the Smart Rack cart and handheld controller.